Fakir Knitwears Ltd is a comprehensive manufacturing and exporting company of Bangladesh. It comprises the ultra-modern plants related to garment industry, such as independent knitting, dyeing, sewing, finishing and packaging with sufficiently supportive backward linkage facilities. Nowadays, our products sell well all over the world, such as America, Europe and East Asia. Our company sticks to the policy of high quality, developing by credit standing, and gaining the world through honesty. We strongly believe in fair trade liabilities and practice in business towards our esteemed clients. Meanwhile, we also carry out a strict quality management system in accordance with ISO 9001 requirements. 10,500 employees. $123 millions. Yearly turnover. 1,152,000 square feet. Area premises. 1,029,362 square feet. Production floor. Mission and vision. The core mission of FKL is to provide its customers the best value for their money by way of facilitating them with one-stop knitwear manufacturing as well as sourcing services whereby satisfaction is always guaranteed, leaving virtually no room for any complaint. FKL pursues its mission complying with all of the requirements on humanitarian ground, ensuring excellent management practices, and reinforcing working environment in a way that it would be viewed as a model for others to appreciate and follow as a better working place. The vision of Fakir Knitwears Ltd is to set a benchmark, not only in Bangladesh, but also it would be recognized as one of the leading garment manufacturers on the global stage. Product operation. Knitting process. Dyeing process. Laboratory process. Garments process. Printing and embroidery process. Washing process. Products. Fakir Knitwears Ltd manufactures and export knitwear garments for men's, ladies, children, boys, girls, infant etc. We also produce sportswear, maternity wears as well. Our state-of-the-art knitwear covers almost all of the fibers available in the market. Our specific products include t-shirt, tank top, leggings, pajama set, polo shirt, boxer shorts, nightwears, accessories, etc. Our upcoming projects are woven and lingerie products.